Namaste, my name is Dharmesh Sukhadia. She is Pooja Heliwal, and we are going to learn today how to do Ustrasana. Ustra means camel, Asana means posture. First, sit in a kneeling posture. Now, body is straight, erect. Take your toes inside. Between both the legs, there is a distance of 5 finger width. Now, very gently lean backward and hold your heels. Now, very slowly fix your arms on the ground and just see that her fingers are out and her thumb is inside. Now the thumb is touching the tarsal, and now still the asana is not started. Now she will inhale and raise the torso. Inhale and raise the torso and see the complete square. She has fixed the arms and the sternum is lifted up, the shoulders are back and quadricep is well stretched and neck is tilted backward. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Come back. This is Ustrasana. So friends, now our Guru Hansama will throw more light on this asana. Thank you.
Namaskar. Ustrasana or camel pose has both benefit physiologically as well as psychologically. It helps to develop stronger spine and linear body. This asana helps to remove complacency and builds a stronger emotional attitude on revealing your potential. This back bend asana helps developing Aishwarya Bhav, which means confidence to face life challengingly, bravely, with a composed mind. As you bend backward and open the chest, a sense of self-confidence instills in the mind that flows through the body. It is one of the best beginner's back bending asana to condition your mind to believe in yourself. Regular practice can help calming the mind and releasing stress. Along with the mental benefit, it also helps physical benefits. There is an inverted pressure on vertebra moving towards your shoulder and neck. It releases minor aches and pains of your back. It is one excellent asana to reduce fat on your thigh. Ustrasana opens up your hips, stretches deep hip flexors. This is also a nice stretch on your face and neck muscles and relax muscular tension. Keep doing this asana and you will see huge improvement at physical as well as at mental level. Namaskar.